What's up guys, welcome back to Rec Room, and today I'm going to get right into it as it's going to be a tutorial for everything in Legend of Wendigo. Because this can be a pain to a lot of people when they don't know what to do. So I'm going to give a full tutorial. Right now I'm on nightmare mode and I got Squirrel's Blessing so I can speed this up, and so I don't actually have to spawn in the Wendigo, because that would just make this a lot harder. So when you spawn in right here, you're going to want to walk forward, you're going to want to keep walking forward until you get to here. You're going to want to walk in this building. You're going to want to get this key card, and then eventually you're going to want to stay in here. And then by the time that guy, so he'll actually be talking to you when you're on normal mode, but because I'm on nightmare mode, he's not. That gate will lower it, and this blue key card, you want to come over to here and put it in there. And you gotta wait for that door to go down. And then once you walk in here, this cabin right here is useless. You don't want to go in there. You want to come all the way over here to this cabin on this side. And if you walk in and just go straight like this to here, you got the first battery. And then you want to leave here, go back to where the blue gate starts, go over here, and go this way. You're going to want to go this way. And then you're going to pass that building, and you don't want to go in that. Then you want to come to these cabins. And this cabin right here, next to this red bed, has the second battery. And in this cabin right here on the blue bed, you have the red key card. So then you're going to want to go back to gate 1. Okay, you're gonna want to come back to here, and you're gonna want to get this, and you're gonna want to open this door. Then you want to go straight to this room, and in the corner there will be the third battery. But then before you leave, you wanna, when you walk in, you want to go like this, and then this way, then into this room, and there's a yellow key card. And you do have every single holster for holding stuff in this. So, with this key card, you want to leave gate 1 and go to this building that was near the cabins. You're going to want to open it. You're going to walk in, go like this, and then you're going to want to put all these batteries in. And once you have all the batteries in, and you hit that button, the next gate is going to open, but the Wendigo is going to spawn in the second you hit that button. So, just for video purposes and not having to die because you walk through walls, I'm not going to hit that button, and because I have Squirrel's Blessing, I'm just going to hop over the gate. Okay, now that I'm over this gate, you're going to want to walk up this path. So you're going to want to go straight, you're going to want to take a left, you're going to want to take a right, then you're going to want to walk around. So this would normally be a red building, and you don't want to go in that door. You want to go around this way, you want to go to the back. There's a door right here. You want to enter this door, and then you immediately want to turn to the right, and then you just want to follow this path. And in here will be the first blue battery. And then you're going to want to leave it. And the reason you come to this building first is because normally the Wendigo spawns near the church, and you don't want to go over there. And you always want to have somebody distracting him at all times. That's just like required to winning. Okay, but once you guys have eyes on him, and he's running around, you're going to want to exit that building, come over to the church. You're going to want to walk into it. And on your left, when you walk in the second row of chairs, there will be another battery. And then if you go straight up to this, you'll see the X. And then you're going to want to come back over here. You're going to want to go back to this red building, but instead of going in, you're going to want to follow this path right here to the barn. And you're going to want to grab that axe, and you're going to want to break the wood. Then you walk in here, and into the back left over here, there will be the purple key card, which you then go from there, and you bring it over to that building over there. But I forgot to mention his speed thing. So right when you grab the first battery, he speeds up, and then when you grab the purple key card, he speeds up. And then so you're gonna want to come over to here to this building, and over here on the right corner, in the right front corner, will be the panel, and you're gonna want to put the key card in that. And the second you put that in, he's gonna get even faster. And then you're gonna want to walk in, take a right, take a left, go this way, and then go into here. And then you're gonna want to put the first and second battery in. And then right here, this guy's gonna be holding the green key card. And you're gonna want to bring it out, and you're gonna leave the building. You're gonna want to follow this trail back to the church, but instead of going inside of it this time, you're gonna want to go around it to this place back here, gate 3. You're gonna want to put in the key card, and you're gonna want to grab this, and you're just gonna want to run back. And if you're, let me just say, if you're the only person here, unless you have Squirrelator's Blessing, you can't win. It's not possible. You need a team to beat this. But then you're gonna want to follow that trail back to this building, and you're gonna want to walk in, go back to that room where you put the other batteries in. You're gonna want to walk in here, and you're gonna want to put the last battery in. And then you're gonna want to hit this red button, and it should say radio tower active, and then the Wendigo is going to speed up even more. And then you just got to wait like 10 seconds, and he will actually be saying stuff right now, but because I'm on nightmare mode, he's not. He's saying like, we're bringing in a helicopter thing to escape, but we know what's down there, so we're not going to stay there for long, and we will not hesitate to leave you behind. Pretty much that's what he's saying. So you just got to survive for 2 minutes. And for every like 15 to 20 seconds, Wendigo will constantly get faster. And he's just, by the final stage, he will be pretty much as fast as you. So you want to make sure the person distracting them. So wait, okay, I'm going too fast. So the helicopter is going to come right next to this red building right here on the side towards the church. And there's going to be a rope that you want to climb up. I'll show you that after. But right when it says extraction arriving, that means the helicopter is coming, like it's in the area. There's still like another 30 seconds until he actually lands. And you're going to want to make sure that your distractor is like all the way over. So like when the helicopter starts to lower right there, you're going to want your distractor to be all the way over here. And then when it's pretty much at the ground, your distractor, you guys all have to climb up, and your distractor might not make it, but if he's barely gonna make it because the Wendigo is too fast to risk anyone else. And that's pretty much it. Let me just skip to the just gonna edit out the wait for the 2 minutes, and I'll show you when it says extraction arriving. Okay, so now that extraction is arriving, from over behind those, you're gonna, in a few seconds, you're gonna start to see a helicopter flying over this way. And you wanna okay, so there's the helicopter, you can see it back there. And you're gonna wanna make sure that your distractor is nowhere near right here, because this is where the helicopter lands. So when it starts to lower, so like this is when it's coming, and you only have a few seconds to get on it. I don't know if you can see that, but there's little ropes on the side that, that's where you climb up. So you're going to want your distractor all the way over here at the barn. And then all of you are going to wait over here, except for your distractor. Your distractor is going to be all the way at the barn. And then right here, when it starts to lower, your distractor is going to start running over here. And then right when this lowers, you're going to have to, you guys are all going to have, every single one of you is going to have to grab onto this rope and climb up it. And then you're going to want to get in the helicopter and then hold on to the wall. And it's going to start leaving either after a couple seconds or after you're all in it. And be aware, if you are on the rope, like way on the bottom of the rope, the Wendigo can still kill you until you actually start flying like I am right now. Because he can kind of fly, which is weird. But he can do that. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial on Legend of Wendigo. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, as it would really help me out. And if you want me to do tutorials for any more horror games, I will gladly do that. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.